Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on Tron BTC? Now, from a weekly point of view, we can clearly notice that the market has broken above a strong structure level. In fact, we had strong support here. Again, support at this level. And now that the market has broken back above this area, this is again support. So basically what happened is that the market failed to respect this level as resistance after breaking it to the upside. So it's now turned against support, and we also have the possibility to create this inverted head and shoulders and start a nice move to the upside. Perfect. From a weekly perspective, we have identified our structure and our directional view. Now, from a Fibonacci perspective, if you want information on this retracement, what are you supposed to be doing? Taking your Fibonacci on the impulse, and you can see that the strong area is in between the 0.382 and the 50% retracements of the impulse that broke above the structure. Let's go down on the daily time frame. What kind of situation we can see from a daily perspective? On the daily, we can quickly see that the previous resistance turn support from a daily point of view lines up perfectly with the high of the weekly structure. So the previous resistance here is now turn support at this level, and the market is going to test it. So we can expect the completion of this impulse correction and daily impulse correction and impulse pattern from a daily perspective. Now, if you want information on our retracement in the market, how are you supposed to be taking your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse? And what you can see that currently the market is facing the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, and that the structure is actually in between the 0.618 and the 0.786 Fibonacci retracements of the daily impulse to the upside. So from a weekly perspective, we have support here. From a daily perspective, we have support here. We also have a bullish pattern in mind. Therefore, we clearly know which area is a very interesting area to be following on Tron BTC. In fact, this is exactly the zone that we will be monitoring with students from a 4-hour perspective. Because yes, at the moment, everything is still bearish, but things might change in the future. That is why we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from a bearish market to a bullish market, and then waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the upside, creation of a higher high, and completion of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.